Let's have a look at this question. It's a public exam question. Now, a carpenter makes two kinds of tables, type A and type B. And have a look, there are four conditions here. Let's study it one by one. A carpenter gets a contract to supply at least 10 type A table and 20 type B table to a furniture dealer each month. Okay. Then second, a carpenter make no more than 60 table in a month. Okay. Number 3, type A table each costs 40, type A costs 40, and type B table costs 10 to make, and the carpenter cannot afford to spend more than 1,200 each month. Cannot afford, okay, to spend more than 1,200. Okay, so let's see. The fourth one, the profit on making a type A table is $30, and that on type B table is $10. Okay, this is about the profit. Maybe I use another marking color to mark it. Okay, type A 30, type B is 10. Okay, so that means the first three, actually you can see that those are the conditions, and the fourth one is about the profit. Okay, so this one most probably is about the objective function. Okay, because it talks about the profit. Okay, then let's see. A, how many tables of each type should be made in a month to obtain a maximum profit? Okay, how many tables is the question to obtain the maximum profit. So you see that this one is a linear programming question. How can we obtain a maximum profit? That means it's a linear programming with certain constraints. Okay, so the first, we need to understand it, and maybe we need to write down all the constraints first. Okay, so first, it's better for you to let the carpenter makes X type A table and Y type B table. That means one is X, one is Y. Okay, A, X, and type B is Y. So according to this three, at least here, at least 10 type A tables. That means X is greater than or equals to 10, and type B greater than or equals to 20. Okay. Second, carpenter can make no more than 60 table in a month. That means add up two types of table cannot more than. That means it should be smaller than or equals to 60, correct? How about the third one? Type A table 40, type B table costs 10, and carpenter cannot afford 1,200. That means compared with 1,200, this is the maximum. Okay, so 40x and then 10y, right? Right. So afterward, 1, 2, 3, 4. Any more? And remember, X, Y, that means table A, table B, all other tables. That means X and Y must be an integers. Okay, so at the end, this one, and this one. Just now we'll have a look at the first condition, second one, and the third one. Third one, you can simplify like this: 4x plus y smaller or equals to 120. Okay, and lastly, x, y are non-negative integers. Okay, that's great. After we write all the system of the inequalities, then we can start to draw. The first two, you know that it's a simple straight line. One is a vertical line, one is horizontal line. Remember? This one, vertical, right? And this one, horizontal, okay? Remember how to check it by yourself, vertical and horizontal. Try to check it by yourself. So, we only need to draw this two. That means x plus y equals 60 and 4x plus y equals 120. So set up a table, write down at least 3 points. I just use one more for you to check it. So there are 3 points. Okay, you can use it. So let's mark it. How to mark it? Okay, remember use a pencil, so I use this color. And for the scale, y each square, each length as 10, and for the x, 2 square as 10, okay, or two lengths as 10, okay. So two different scale, and you can mark the points easily and find the solution easily. Okay, let's use the points. 60, 0. No. Is it 60, 0? Oh, cannot draw it. These 2 points, I mean this point's difficult to draw because here should be out of the x-axis. So 20, 40, this one. 0, 60, this one. And 10, 50, this one. Right. Okay, so after you know that, and link up all the points now, let me like this. Right. Remember, draw it and write down a label the straight line immediately. Okay. Oh, forgot to draw this too. X equals 10. So let's draw x equals 10 first. X equals 10, that means this one. Right. X equals 10, x 10. Okay, so x equals 10, the straight line. And y equals 20. Y equals 20, that means this one. Right. Y equals 20. Good. And lastly, 4x plus y equals 120. Let's mark it. Okay, 30, 0, this point. Okay, 30, 0, and then 20, 40, that means this point again. Okay, 10, 80, that means this point. Okay, again, out of the scale here, out of the graph here, so we cannot draw 120. Anyway, it's okay to draw the straight line now. Right? See? And this one, 4x plus y equals 120. No degree. Okay? Now, mark all the arrows and find the feasible regions. First one, x greater than 10, that means this side, right? Okay. Y greater than 20, that means upper part, right? And the last two, positive y, so just read the inequality sign, you can draw the arrows directly. Y smaller than 60, so lower half plane. And 4x plus y smaller than 120, that means lower half plane also. So this side and this side. At the end, where's the feasible solution? Yeah, this one. See? Great. Okay. Not yet finished. Question asks you to find out how many tables of each type to obtain the maximum profit. Okay. Anyway, I need to write it down. Okay. Here 1, 2. Okay, maybe I point out first. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can point out, you can circle, or you can write down letters A, B, C, D. There are 4 points because it's a quadrilateral. Okay, so let's see. Is it this shaded region are the solution? Remember, we need to write down this statement. Okay, because the ordered pairs represent all points with integral coordinates. Integral coordinates represent all feasible solution. Okay, in the shaded region. Okay, so integral coordinates in the shaded region are feasible solution. That means like this. Okay, so finish. Part A, not yet, not yet. We need to find the number of tables of each type. So what is the objective function? Remember, just now we say that our objective function, we can use the 0.4 because it's about the profit. So profit equals 30x and then 10y. So this is profit. Okay. That means now you can use 2 methods. One, by drawing a line according to the profit. You can draw 30x plus 10y equals 0. Okay? Okay? Then maybe you can use 2 points. Okay? One is negative 1 and then 3. Right? Or you cannot use 1 and 3. Then negative 10 and then 30. 10 and negative 30. Then you can draw the line. Okay, this is the first method, and secondly, this time I will use it because you can see 4 points easily. Okay, so I prefer you use this one. Maybe I keep here. This is method 1. Okay, this is method 2. Let's see. Now we have certain point. Do you know A? That means 25, 20. Point B, 20, 40. Point C, 10, 50. And point D, 10, 20. This time no need to solve simultaneous equation because this 4 points is very easy for you to read out. Okay, so substitute the points into the profit. That means the objective function. 30 times 25 plus 10 times 20. You found that 950. Goes on, substitute all the vertices into the objective function. And you can get all the corresponding profit. Okay, and you can see at point B, profit is the largest one. So part A, I think now you can answer it easily. So part A, the company should make 20 type A tables and 40 type B tables to obtain a maximum profit. Right? Understand? And how about part B? We haven't studied the question. Hence, find the maximum profit. So, according to part A, B, 20, 40, you can get a maximum profit. So, maximum profit is $1,000. Remember, dollar sign. Okay, answer the practical question. Pay attention about the units. Okay, so you see, not difficult for you to solve a linear programming question. Hope you can understand.